Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Multi-agent research is currently shifting away from slow, text-based communication and toward continuous, latent space interactions, where models share their internal mathematical states instead of generating words. A paper that hit the Hugging Face trending list just yesterday, published on April 28, 2026, pushes this idea into a completely unified recursive loop. The paper is titled Recursive Multi-Agent Systems. It introduces a framework that chains different models together so they can iteratively refine their reasoning in that continuous space, driving an 8% average accuracy boost over advanced baselines while cutting token usage by up to 76%. We are going to explore exactly how they optimize this entire system at once, and as we will see, their scaling results are incredibly promising for the future of complex reasoning. And for those interested in the implementation, the authors have shared their code on GitHub. Figure 1 illustrates how this continuous approach adapts to different multi-agent setups. The charts compare the recursive system against individual agents across various reasoning benchmarks. In the mixture style panel, the unified system consistently outperforms individual science, math, and code specialists. The middle chart focuses on deliberation style setups, where the framework tops independent tool callers. Lastly, the distillation style panel highlights inference speedups of up to 1.6 times, showing efficient collaboration between expert and learner models. Diving into the framework scaling behavior, the top half of Figure 1 plots how accuracy improves with the depth of the recursion loop. Across 4 distinct reasoning tasks, the heat maps reveal a consistent pattern. As the models engage in more recursion rounds during both training and inference, their performance steadily increases. For instance, on the Math 500 benchmark on the far left, accuracy climbs from about 76% at a single round to over 78% after 4 rounds. This confirms that allowing agents more cycles to refine their continuous thoughts directly enhances problem solving. Figure 2 maps out the core architecture of this unified system. On the left, an individual model like Agent A1 uses an inner link to feed its own continuous outputs right back into its inputs. Then, an outer link translates those latent thoughts, so the next model, Agent A2, can understand and build on them. This chain continues until the final agent loops the refined state back to the beginning, which creates a seamless collaboration cycle. Figure 4 details the 2-stage training pipeline used to optimize this framework. The top section shows the preliminary inner loop training, where each agent is trained in parallel to warm up its continuous reasoning abilities. Then, the bottom panel maps out the recursive outer loop training. Here, the system unrolls across multiple rounds, allowing a single error signal at the end to flow backwards through the entire chain. This optimizes all the interacting agents together as one unified entity. With the training pipeline established, Table 1 details the models assigned to the different collaboration patterns. The framework relies on heterogeneous agent compositions, meaning it combines different model families so they can pool their unique strengths. For example, the sequential setups chain together a planner, critic, and solver using models from the Quen and Llama families. Then, the mixture style assigns domain experts, pairing a coding model with a biology-specific bio-Mistral model to tackle diverse problems. Table 2 puts those model combinations to the test, breaking down the gains of this continuous approach as recursion depth increases. The results compare the framework against a text-based baseline across 3 rounds. Looking at the far right column, we see the improvements compound significantly. By round 3 at the bottom, the latent space system achieves a 7% accuracy bump, speeds up runtime by 2.4 times, and slashes token usage by 76%. Because intermediate reasoning stays in the continuous space, it completely avoids the latency bottlenecks of traditional text decoding. Wrapping up, 2 takeaways stand out. Shifting multi-agent collaboration to a continuous space eliminates massive text generation bottlenecks, and recursive scaling allows whole systems of diverse models to optimize together. That wraps up this look at continuous multi-agent frameworks. I'm Alex, and this has been the AI Research Roundup. See you in the next one.